Hello and welcome to another nail tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created these gray returning reciprocal chevron nails. We're going to start off by applying our two colors onto a makeup sponge. As you can see, I've placed the gray, the white, and then the gray again onto the sponge. Now we're going to dab that sponge onto our nail. We might have to do this a few times to get full opacity. When you're happy with the results, apply a quick dry top coat over your current gradient. This will help smooth out the nail. It'll also help those base colors dry quicker. Once everything is completely dry, apply a chevron nail stencil to your nail. Now we're going to apply our colors to a makeup sponge again, this time in reverse order: white, gray, white. Now we're going to sponge the polishes on top of the stencil. Once again, this might take a few coats to get full opacity. Carefully remove the nail stencil before your nail polish dries. And there you have it. Isn't this look very cool? I like how it kind of looks like a sweater of some sort. This video is inspired by a look Simply Nailogical did 3 years ago, I believe. Hopefully I did it justice. All of my products will be listed in the description box below. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please subscribe.